Hello children, now we'll be doing the next lesson in your grammar, that is adverb. Now let's see what are adverbs. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb, which means adverbs, they add meaning to either it can be verb, it can be an adjective or it can be another adverb. So let's see some examples, okay? So as they say, they're adding something more to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So three things it is adding: meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So let's see some examples. The traveler walked briskly. So this is verb, isn't it? So how did he walk? He walked briskly. So this is the adverb. So this adverb is adding meaning to the verb. Is it clear? The second example is, today I faced a very difficult situation. The word is very and difficult. The word difficult is adjective. How difficult? Very difficult. So this is the adverb. This word is adding meaning to this word difficult. So very is the adverb and difficult is the adjective. Let's see the third example. She faced the interview quite confidently. Already the word confidently is an adverb. But how confidently did she face the interview? Which word is describing the word confidently? Again, that is quite. So this word is adding meaning to this word. This is also an adverb. So an adverb can add meaning or tell us more about three things: a verb, an adjective or another adverb. You might have seen in the first example, the word briskly is describing the verb walked. In the second example, the word very is describing the adjective difficult. And in the third example, already confidently is an adverb, but the word quite is adding meaning to the word confidently. Both are adverbs, but this adverb is describing this other adverb. Is it clear? Now, in your textbook, the first exercise, the first example is given as, the little girl was very pretty. Now, can you tell me children, which is the adverb here? Pretty, the word pretty is given. How pretty she was? She was very pretty. So this word is the adverb. It is adding meaning to this word pretty. The word pretty is an adjective. It's just adding meaning to the adjective pretty. Okay. Now let's see some more examples of adverbs. So a few more examples. Let's try to find out which are the adverbs in the given sentences. The girl sang melodiously. How did she sing? Melodiously. This is the adverb. It is adding meaning to this verb sang. The old man was walking slowly. Again, this is the adverb and it is adding meaning to the word walking. How was he walking? Slowly. He almost fell asleep in the class. So the word fell asleep is given, but this is the word adverb. Almost fell asleep. It is adding meaning to this word fell asleep. She often visits her friend. This is the word adverb and this is describing this verb visits. The baby is playing now. When is the baby playing? Now. So this is the adverb. Now children, in most of the cases you might have seen, the adverb is very close to the word which it is trying to describe. It can be after the verb, here it is after, and here you can say often is before the verb. So the adverbs are generally placed close to the words. It can be a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb is generally placed close to the word which it wants to describe. Now, when you come and talk about the position of an adverb, as I say, the word, position of an adverb, it is placed close to the word. Adverbs must be placed next to the word. Here it is saying next to the word. I will use the word close to the words required to be modified. Let's see some examples. Neha dances gracefully. Now, which is the verb here? This is the verb. And how does she dance? Which word describes her dance? That is this word, gracefully. So, gracefully is the adverb and it is describing this word dances. How does Neha dance? She dances gracefully. So, you can say the verb is coming in front and this adverb is coming after the verb. But of course, it is placed close to the verb which it is describing. Let's see the second example. The second example is, she will visit the house again. This is the adverb. When will she visit? Again. But it is describing will visit. She will visit. This is the verb. So this word is nearby, not very far. But then this one is going to describe. This one gracefully is describing dances. So adverbs are placed close to the words which it wants to modify or describe. Sometimes adverbs are used before the verb. They are used before the verb and sometimes they are used after the first part of the verb. Either it is used before the verb, sometimes it is placed after the first part of the verb. That means the sentence will be having more than one verb, is it? Now, let's see a few examples so that you can understand it clearly. Now, they were hardly practicing the play. The adverb is hardly. This is the adverb. This is the first part of the verb. First verb. Practicing is the second verb. As I said, it is placed after the first part of the verb. It is the first verb. After the first verb, they have used the word adverb. Okay, and this is the main verb or the second verb. So it is placed here in between after the first verb. Verb is a helping verb, isn't it? So you can say adverbs are placed close to the words which it wants to modify. Is it clear, children? Now, like we discussed about adjectives, adverbs are also different types, different kinds. Let's see how many types of adverbs we have. There are basically 7 kinds of adverbs. So there are 7 kinds of adverbs. First is adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. 7 types are there and we have to discuss each one in detail. You should be able to identify the different types of adverbs in a given sentence. Okay. So we start with the first type of adverb, that is adverb of manner. The first one is adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Now adverbs of manner tells us how the action takes place. They answer the question how. How is the work done? How did she dance? Gracefully. How did the old man walk? Slowly. How did she eat? Greedily. So it answers the question how. So in a sentence, if you want to know which is adverb of manner, you should be able to ask the question how the work was done or how with the word or the verb given in the sentence. Let's see some examples. The boy ran fast. This is the verb. How did he run? Fast. So this is the adverb. How did the boy run? Fast. The boy ran slowly, you can say. The boy ran quite fast, you can say. The boy ran hurriedly, you can say. The next example, she danced gracefully. This is the verb. And how did she dance? Gracefully. So this word is the adverb. It is describing this verb. How did she dance? Gracefully. The soldiers fought bravely. So this is the verb, isn't it? This is the verb. And how did the soldiers fight. Which word is describing the word fight? That is bravely. They fought. This is the adverb. So here you can say the boy ran fast. Ran is the verb. Adverb is fast. She danced gracefully. So the word gracefully is describing the word danced. The soldiers fought bravely. How did they fight? Bravely. Now children, here in adverbs of manner, the adjectives can be changed into adverbs by adding ly or illy. You can change an adjective into an adverb by adding ly or illy. Let's see. So if it is heavy, it becomes heavily. If it is polite, it becomes politely. You can say here it is ly added, here illy is added. She spoke politely. This is the verb. And how did she speak? This is the adverb. It was raining heavily. This is the verb. And again, this word heavily is the adverb. Is it clear? So some adjectives can be changed into an adverb by adding ly or illy. Let's see in your textbook, exercise C, let's see the first example. So greedy will become greedily, isn't it? Sudden will become suddenly. Here I have added illy, here I have added ly. Is it clear children? Adjectives can be changed into adverbs by adding ly or illy. We generally do that in adverb of manner, okay, to describe something. So you have to do exercise C and exercise D, which is given in your textbook. So I come to the end of the first video. I hope you have understood what is an adverb, the position of an adverb, and how many types of adverbs are there. And in adverb of manner, adjectives can be changed into adverb by adding ly or illy. Is it clear children? Thank you.